Want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? Here's the exact method people are using right now to earn daily income. And it's way easier than you think. If you're tired of posting videos and getting zero results, you're not alone. Most beginners fail for one simple reason. They're creating content the wrong way. Let me show you the method that actually works. It's simple. First, pick a profitable niche that people search for. Second, use ready templates and stock clips to make videos fast. Third, upload regularly and optimize titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. And here's the best part. This is the exact system Matt Parr uses to build faceless YouTube channels and earn passive income. Inside his program, he literally teaches every step from video creation to automation. People all over the world are already earning with this method. Some have even built full-time YouTube channels in just a few months without showing their face. It's simple, repeatable, and works for beginners, no matter your experience level. Here's what you get with this method. A simple, beginner-friendly system. No face cam needed. Thousands use it successfully, and you can start earning, even with a small channel and basic tool. If you're ready to start your own faceless YouTube channel, click the Matt Parr affiliate link in the description. Follow the steps, begin today, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching. Your next step starts right now. Click the Matt Parr affiliate link in the description to begin your YouTube journey today. And before you go, make sure to subscribe for more simple and powerful